Hey everybody, today we're taking a break from my cross-country road trip. This is my first time filming since I have returned home. Today is Sunday, August 12th. I know I don't usually go out on weekends, but went out on a whim. I was just kind of feeling it. I finally caught up on rest. I'm feeling good today for the first time in honestly like almost 2 months. So I am excited to be out. I have been really into themed sales on Whatnot. It's kind of hard to get excited about going to the same places and seeing the same stuff after doing over 150 antique malls, spoiler alert, on this cross-country road trip. Not to mention it's been insanely hot. It's just been one thing after the next. As a lot of you guys know, I moved. There was a lot of life drama. There was just like everything happening and it drained me. But I'm back and I'm feeling pretty great. So I know August 24th, 25th, I should have probably looked at my calendar before I started this, but I know I have 2 days of cat train. I have another Whatnot sponsored train I'm doing, which is Halloween themed, and Halloween's not usually my thing, and you know I take my themed sales very, very, very seriously, and I have poodles and pink. I mean, there's a lot going on, so I decided to go out and look for some specific items today. I'm super excited to be back here. As you guys know, well, you don't know because you don't know where I am. It's my secret honey hole. Sorry. I'm sure some people know where I am, but I drive about 6 hours round trip to get here. So, and it's a long drive. It's like a long 6-hour drive. So, let's go in and see what we can find. All right, well, I grabbed my basket. I'm a little out of shape. Is that out of practice? I think that's what I'm looking for. It's been a long time since I've recorded myself shopping. I'm looking at the blow molds, of course. They're at $55 each. Vintage hollow, oh my gosh. Stop it. No way. I love the squeak cards. Okay, so we're definitely gonna grab the cat themed ones. Those are $5 each. Oh my gosh, and they squeak. The puppy dog and the bunny. Oh, just kill me. So good. Oh, there's a monkey one. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sell this one. This might be held on to and be a gift for my dad. So I am just gonna go ahead and grab all the squeaker ones. Make sure they all work. That one's not a squeak. Oh my gosh, this is a squeak one too. This is so good. This one's just so weird. I can't not get it. All right. I need to remember what I'm looking for. I'm looking for poodles. I'm looking for cats. I'm looking for Halloween. I'm looking for pink stuff. I'm looking for bangles. I'm looking for a lot of stuff actually. Now, I'm also working, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm also working on an event, I guess, for lack of better words, the 12 Days of Christmas, which is all themed. I think these are new. You know, it's really surprising. Halloween's not really my thing. 1980. I feel like I should grab one of these. I'm just so unfamiliar. I know, like, some of the Halloween stuff like this goes wild, but I don't normally do Halloween because everyone is always like, oh, isn't Halloween your favorite? And I'm like, oh, of course. This is $1. Well, we're gonna grab that for sure. Now I know a lot of the Halloween stuff, it's easy to look newer than it is. This looks like it's probably like 80s, 90s probably. It's very cool. Unfortunately, the price tag has been taken off. I've just walked in. I'm already kind of regretting coming here with only 2 hours. It's so hard not to get distracted. Like, I'm really into this Smurf bag. At 25, I don't know about that though. Oh my gosh, look at all this fun little stuff. Oh, I feel like maybe I'm gonna end up getting a hotel and coming back tomorrow. This was such a poorly planned idea. I was like, I can do it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Dude. $175. I really want that. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is like one of my favorite spots to come to. It's definitely worth, oh my gosh. I think I looked at this last time and I was like, I can't spend $25 on that. Let's be honest, just for me. This is one of my favorite spots to come to. It's one of my little honey holes. Dude, what is this? That is so cute. I know it's new, but how adorable. Luckily, it's $45, so I can justify not buying that for myself. Wow, this is really pretty. Fenton. It is marked. It's $18 and 20% off. Huh. That's really nice. Now I am gonna go ahead and pick this up. My gut is just kind of telling me to. I'm gonna try and do a little bit more homework on it. I'm not the most familiar with this stuff, but it's really pretty and I feel like the price is right. How cool is that owl lamp? Oh my gosh. I have never seen one like that. So epic. And of course, you know I love this one. This one's at $3.50 though. Oh my gosh, look at this giant chalkware. Ah. Okay, I'm getting distracted already. Well, I kind of feel like what would be a Halloween sale without a little bit of uranium glass? Rim damage. Okay, because I was like, why is this only $8? It seems really cheap. Okay, so it does have a big chunk missing out of it. Dang. Oh, that stinks. That is such a cool piece. And it's $8. I'm really trying to stay away from buying broken items though. Oh, so appealing looking though. Oh my gosh, stop it. Look at this guy. $10. Let's see. Over 10.01, so it is 10 exactly. I know I could make money on that, but alas, I'm here with purpose. I have to make sure that I stick to what I'm looking for. I have all the time in the world to get randos. This might be 80s. Indiana glass. 18. I'm really trying to stick with the vintage. This booth is so packed. It's a bit overwhelming for me. A little bit of overstimulation. Here's some more uranium glass. I don't see a discount in this booth. It's kind of been hit or miss for me. It's not usually my thing, but like I said, I kind of feel like what's Halloween without a little uranium glass? What a bummer. I picked up this perfume bottle thinking it might glow, and unfortunately it does not. I forgot my black light, so I just put it over there. I'm gonna remember that's there. Oh, but look at these guys. These are so funny too. It's got a little nick or something in the paint on its ear. Love the little seahorses. I know I looked at those last time. I'm really trying to stick on theme. I have to remember I have all the time in the world to come back. I have a lot of my sales in the upcoming weeks filled. Oh my gosh, those plaques are amazing. From all the stuff from my trip, which I finally finished unpacking the other day, by the way. It only took me a couple months. Ooh, orange mushroom enamel pitcher. That's so fab. Does it have a pumpkin? I feel like that's a pumpkin, right? We can call it a pumpkin. That's really cool. And it's black and orange. I wonder if I could get away with this. I'm gonna Google it, see if there's another one like it online. I think I could get away with making a few bucks off this for sure. I'm a little bit hesitant. I think it's a little bit closer than I'd like it to be. I'm also just seeing this beveled mirror, which I really want for myself, but I don't need. I'm gonna keep going. I know how big this place is, and as hard as it is to walk away, there is one in yellow. It's got a little bit of damage, but it's sitting online for $15, so that makes me a little bit hesitant. Oh my gosh, I love the print on that. There's a lot in this case that is appealing to me. I love the shape of those. Of course, the dog decanter caught my eye. That's at $37 and 20% off, which I feel like for a collector is more than fair. I haven't had the most luck with a lot of decanters, honestly. It's cute. But again, I'm buying with purpose. This is fun too. And the owl, interesting. I like that smoky color. All right. So Hand-blown crackle glass owl. Looks like it's actually missing the price though, so that doesn't help much. This is very cool. Hand-blown pitcher, 17 and 20%.
I have this.
You know how I am. When I start out, I'm really picky. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Is this an Italian cat? It is. It's got a little damage. It's at 23, even with 20% off. I'm a little hesitant about that. I'm gonna stop by this booth on the way back. I have to circle back anyway. I'm like very weird about going in the order I always go in. Once I've gone through a place a certain way, I can't not do it that way. This vendor, this is the first booth of theirs. They have a bunch of them in another aisle too. This is one of my favorite reasons to come here. They have 30% off and they have such good stuff. It's so random. Look at these. This is even signed. That's very cool. And look at you. We love you. 14. He is fantastic. I'm not sure if he's exactly what we're looking for because I'm looking for themed stuff, but I kind of feel like yeah, let me stick to it. I'm trying to stick with the plan. I have all the time in the world to look for other stuff. That's how I ended up having so many sales on my schedule, because I was like, wait a minute, I have way more stuff than I thought I did from my trip. I mean, I'm like, today is August 12th and I'm already full for all my sales pretty much, except for the themed ones, obviously, through September 6th. Now, I'm not sure why this didn't occur to me earlier, but it just dawned on me that if I go through this place quickly enough and look for my themed stuff, oh my gosh, weird, and I still have time and budget left over, then I can pick out whatever I want, right? So here's to speed shopping. What is that green glass vase up there? This booth usually has really good prices too. So short. $7 and 20% off. Well, that's, oh dang, it's chipped again. Oh, having bad luck with my picks here. Now I'm like, let me check this Fenton vase again, because everything I've picked up that I've gotten excited about so far has had some damage. Well, this situation definitely has my attention. I know it has nothing to do with my theme, but look at these little micro mosaic picture frames. 1212. Oh my gosh. This is so epic. I love this bisque doll too. So amazing. Oh my gosh, the little German baby half doll. I'm not doing the best job at showing it off. Like I said, I'm a little out of practice. The prices are really good for these. If I see somebody with keys, I might have to grab the little micro mosaic ones. There's some more frames over here. Kind of depressing. I don't know why it's making me sad. What is this doll thing? How weird are you? We love you. Oh, it's celluloid shoes. It feels like interesting. No. Yeah. Very strange. Look at this frame. That is cool. $30 with convex. Cool. Now, where I know I could get away with selling something like that frame in the Halloween sale, the way I like to work with themes is I like to go from tight to loose, if that makes sense. So get things that are really, really, really on topic first, and then find things that are kind of loosely themed, because I don't want to have a bunch of loosely themed stuff. Cake toppers, my favorite, $4. Even got a couple Valentine's Day ones in there. Ugh. But again, looking for stuff for my themed sales, which might seem stressful, but it's actually making me have so much more fun, especially after that road trip where I saw so much stuff. I mean, you guys, I did over 150 antique malls. That's a lot of stuff to see. So it's kind of reigniting my passion, going out and looking for specific stuff, even though I'm seeing a bunch of other stuff along the way. I didn't mean to make it sound like I've been passionless, because that's far from true. Oh my gosh, these glasses. Those are amazing. I just also feel like I'm in a weird bridge where my taste is slightly changing a little bit and my eye is becoming a little bit more picky. A couple little doodads here caught my attention, like the little bread bank and the Elsie. That's so cool. I love those. Let's see. What else have they got in here? They got all kinds of random knickknacks. Well, this has my attention too. I'm right under the stereo and I still have not gotten a microphone. Pink hobnail. I kind of feel like pink hobnail is kind of hard to find. I'm gonna put that to the side. I might grab that just because, oh, I have a pink sale, duh. Yeah, I'm gonna trust my gut on this one and get this one for my pink sale. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, how much fun is the box? Dragon dominoes. This is fun, the Treasure Craft Hawaii. Ooh, see, this is something I like for my house. Nice. Oh, I need to stop shopping for myself. I've definitely done my fair share of that recently. Especially with moving into my new place. I've been making myself really comfortable, which is nice, don't get me wrong, but today is for whatnot. I'm weirdly attracted to this paperweight. I really want to go through the jewelry too. I haven't seen anyone with keys yet. So packed. I love it. Now I know Halloween is a really tricky one, especially to find anywhere near, that's cool, anywhere near reseller's price. But I'm a little surprised I've only found one item that I'm like married to for the Halloween whatnot sale. What is this? This is really cool looking. You know, I love my vintage plastics. It looks like a pepper grinder. Is it? Tupperware, 20 bucks. Gosh, it's kind of warm in here. I'm glad I didn't come here the last time I was planning on it. It was so hot. I shouldn't be complaining about the heat. I know people are really going through it right now out west. These grapes are fun. Whoa. Cricket by Gillette, as is. Well, it's clearly as is. It doesn't even say that, but it's pretty locked up. So cool looking. Vintage lighters are super collectible, but I like to buy them when they're at least somewhat repairable. That's new.